There is hope of decreasing your chances of being a victim of a property crime. Educate yourself and your neighbors so you know who is supposed to be in the area, and those who aren't will stick out. Use good quality locks on your doors and windows, barking dogs and security cameras, and motion sensors and lighting. Thieves are opportunists who tend to avoid difficult break-ins. Burglars are more likely to put off breaking into homes or cars with closed-circuit TV cameras or barking dogs. Don't be caught off guard.